Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Basecamp and whether or not it has video calls. Now, I know what you're thinking. Basecamp is a project management tool, right? And while that's true, it's also a lot more than that. It's a platform that's designed to help teams collaborate and get things done. And as it turns out, that includes video calls. So, if you're wondering whether or not Basecamp has video calls, the answer is yes. And not just any video calls, but high-quality video calls that are easy to use and integrate seamlessly with the rest of the Basecamp platform. But before we get into the details of Basecamp's video calls, let's take a step back and talk about why you might want to use video calls in the first place. There are a lot of reasons why video calls can be a valuable tool for teams. They can help you communicate more effectively with your team members, build relationships and trust, collaborate on projects more efficiently, save time and money by reducing the need for travel. If you're looking for a way to improve your team's communication and collaboration, video calls can be a great option, and Basecamp is a great platform for making video calls. So, how do you use Basecamp's video calls? It's easy. Just create a new event in Basecamp and add a video call link. You can also join a video call from the Basecamp calendar. Basecamp's video calls are powered by Zoom, so you can be sure that you're getting a high-quality video conferencing experience. And because Basecamp is integrated with Zoom, you can easily share files and other documents during your calls. In addition to the basic video call features, Basecamp also offers a number of other features that can be helpful for teams. For example, you can record your video calls and save them to Basecamp for later viewing. You can also use Basecamp's chat feature to communicate with your team members during your calls. Overall, Basecamp is a great platform for video calls. It's easy to use, powerful, and packed with features that can help you improve your team's communication and collaboration. So, if you're looking for a way to add video calls to your workflow, I highly recommend checking out Basecamp. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and healthy.